Alrighty guys, we got a little bit of a different one in this one today. So in this one, I'm giving you a quick rundown, walk down on this. Alright, so break of the motorbike content, even though I am loving motorbikes at the moment. There's going to be a lot more motorbike content, and hopefully now a bit more car stuff. I'm going to do a bit more since I've done the last skid in the car. It is now going to be fully pulled apart, and yeah, I'll explain what is done to it at the moment, what I'm going to be doing to it, and basically future plans and everything. But first, here's a little teaser of a skid, all on private property, by the way. It's all private property, paved roads, all legal. Enjoy.
A twinkle mix this small. It sounds cold.
Yo, they don't wanna see me go mad Hulk Hogan. Should I pick Jake Paul? Should I pick Logan? Licking our shots so they got me for Foden. Coming for next now, but I ain't joking. What's the plan? Kristen Hamby, get me angry, dish out the candy. Leg shaking, make it wobble like Bambi. Don't play games, brother, this ain't your man. Mom said I should go invest. Austin, he got repossessed. If you're back, your brother come speak with chest. If you don't step right, then you might get left. How you gonna leave your girlfriend stressed? Now your kid's homeless. Don't you think that's F? But the brick's hopeless. Must be smoking meth, but you had Hovis, but you must have less. Who's that brother? Joe Weller. Don't let me go and grab for the lever. Big 4-4, no safety sweater. The kickback huge, come big like heather. 2 weeks straight, man, collected cheddar. Punch man up like whatever the weather. Joe wasn't talking when we was together. Puts in a ring, I'm a showman. Jordan Harvey, forget wasabi. I was in a party trying to get gnarly. Then I got a call from Mam's kid side. Christian Hamby, I ain't gonna lie. Cool's gonna fly. Are you trying to die? Send it to the sky, I ain't trying to hear replies. Let me give advice. If I pull up with the guys, me and you ain't really size. If I swing a FD right, still got the G up on my radar. Don't hate man for idiot grenadier. Can everybody please do me a favor? Leave me to cloud all my paper. 2-2 favor, swing Joe breaker. Half Bajan, but I rip Jamaica. Businessman, but I love my paper. Don't play games, none this Bryce Hall. You can never be an idol, Bryce Hall. After the fight, you need a Bible. Austin clapped you, how suicide do. When I beat man up, man, I want my title. Jordan fly like Michael. Vital, coming like a cycle. Roll with a man, then move a try over. Swing my left hand, tight side. He ain't on it, just be honest. Not shit down like my name is Boris. Any little you man, you need some porridge. Their heart ain't in it, they need some courage. Yo, up front like Kane and Storage. Yeah, they hate, but they don't pay homage. Dropped out of school and I didn't go college. Wrapped up a full guys, bitch, gave me knowledge. They don't wanna see me go mad Hulk Hogan. Should I pick Jake Paul? Should I pick Logan? Licking our shots so they got me for Foden. Coming for next now, but I ain't joking. What's the plan? Kristen Hamby, get me angry, dish out the candy. Leg shaking, make it wobble like Bambi. Don't play games, brother, this ain't your man.
All right, well, I hope you enjoyed that. Just a little bit of fun. Literally, the thing's pretty much stock engine-wise, so it's not pushing much power. It's got a welded diff, so most of the time I was just sitting on first gear. Well, when I say most of the time, the whole time, because second gear didn't work. But the whole time I was just sitting on first gear, full, basically just manual limiter. Because the plan was, if it blow the tyres, doesn't matter. If it blow the engine, I think it, pardon me, sorry, if something goes wrong, I don't really care because it's about to all be torn down and yeah. But anyway, hope you enjoyed. This is the Hilux at the moment. So it's a bit of a mess. The engine, there's oil and stuff everywhere. But basically what you see is what's done engine wise. New manifold, well, exhaust headers, I guess, naturally aspirated. Plasma man intake manifold, bigger throttle body, intake, got sensors all through it, got 750cc injectors in it with plasma man fuel rail. I've just turned down the fuel pressure reg with just wheel fuel pressure regulator and all that. Electric power steering, big radiator. Yeah, it's about it engine wise. So yes, big injectors in a stock motor. It is what, 2.7 litre 4-cylinder, big 4-cylinder. So I put big injectors, I put an ECU, and I tuned the living shit out of it to give it a test, and guess what, it worked, it ran, it was pretty good. But anyway, it's the engine. I guess while we're here, continue at the front. So the front will be getting full custom front end. I'm going to be cutting out the tubs obviously because I need more room, bigger wheels, so it'll be tubed front end, custom adjustable front and lower control arms, custom angle kit to get more angle, coilovers in the front. I was gonna do Sylvia front end, but I decided I'm just gonna have some fun and do some stuff, delete the torsion bars, whatnot. I'm gonna do over fenders. So I'm gonna make a wide body. My plan at first was get a Sylvia over fender and custom make it to work. But if you look at the arch, it's very square. A Sylvia is round. So I have a couple options. I can just kinda cheat, and I think some American company kind of sells something for either Tacoma, 4Runner or something that makes like a trophy truck thing, make it work. So I can do that, I can custom make them, I can do something, figure that out. But the front's going to be wide body, all custom suspension parts, coilovers, whatnot, yada yada. Yeah, will be resprayed again. You can't tell that I resprayed and fixed it up, but yeah. Interior is just broads, basically just painted. I had an iPad in it because it was a daily power tune dash. But yeah, pretty basic. It is currently full sound deadened, and all that because it was a daily and I wanted to make it comfy, quiet, all nice. But that's all coming out, so there'll be a video soon of stripping the interior and making it race car. The rear, yeah, they're gone. But the rear will be, if you've seen, as I mentioned before, the Hilux from Tokyo Salon, I'll put in some photos now. The rear, I'm basically doing a exoskeleton tube cage thingo. It's gonna look like a tub, it's gonna be wider, yada yada. You'll see the photo of basically my idea. So that will be with a rear mounted radiator, new fuel cell, battery box is going to be back here, all that stuff. We'll have a proper custom exhaust. Yeah, don't think I'm missing anything really though off the top of my head. Engine fully built, turbo, all that stuff. I'm gonna leave the 3RZ because I'm intrigued of boosting it and just running about 500 or 500 horsepower-ish and just having fun, letting eat. The rear end suspension wise, so I forgot to mention, I mentioned all the tube and fun stuff. The rear end suspension wise, drift car, this is coming out. This isn't working for a drift car. So this is going to be a MX-5 rear subframe, so I can obviously get camber, adjustment, all that good stuff. I can get quick change diffs, coilovers in the rear, and basically just change a bit of everything. Yeah, that one's going to be a really big build. A lot of stuff is going to happen. I'm going to start doing stuff soon. There's going to be a rewire of it soon. Well, starting the rewire. I eventually want to get a PD16 and everything so that I can do more sensors and whatnot with the Haltech. I'm gonna do, well, I gotta obviously finish my catch can setup because it's just dummied in at the moment, and well, shit's kind of fucked. I spilled oil is everywhere. But I gotta weld AN fittings on, which I have, make a custom catch can and do a full custom catch can setup. Yeah, strip more weight out of it will be coming soon. Rear battery box, and yeah, just start basically making it from a straight car into a race car and keep going from there to do the fun stuff. But yeah, that's just a little rundown of the Hilux, what's to come, what's happened, and quick skid video. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.